Hi, welcome to RRG Toyota Bradford. My name is Abdul Rashid and I'm your Motability specialist here. Here at RRG Toyota, we believe in mobility for all. We strive to deliver the best service to all our customers. At the dealership, you are welcomed with refreshments, including tea, coffee and biscuits. And we can sit you down at one of our pods to discuss your needs. If you prefer somewhere more private, more quieter, we are happy to have a discussion in a private area room if you feel more comfortable. When you arrive at RRG Toyota Bradford, we have a dedicated disabled parking area, and also the entrance to the showroom has electronic doors, so you can actually gain easy access with your wheelchair when you come into the showroom. As you enter the car park at RRG Bradford, make sure that you actually turn right, and that will gain you access to the disabled area, which is right outside the showroom. Currently on the scheme, we have the iGo Cross with a nil deposit, and also the award-winning CHR SUV, which you will find more details on our website to have a look at. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to discuss your further mobility needs, please feel free to visit our dealership. I am Abdul Rashid, otherwise known as Abby, and I look forward to speaking to you in the near future.